Okay guys, Cartian Card here. One of the regular suspects shows up. Timpano, yeah. Tpt3000Eq guys is here. Alright. So this one comes with a note on it saying this one I took out the note. It says tube. It says need tube fix. Board burned. So and what they're talking about is the tube name in the transistors. So when I check, see the power supply from here, you could see the power supply. It's power supply burnt up really bad. And then I look over here and I see 1, 2 here. This output transistor right here got burned. Yeah, it burnt up. So all these four are gonna have to replace. So just letting you guys see this repair. Alright, so let's see if I can go and repair this. Let's take it apart, guys. This one, guys, you don't have to remove the fan. You just unplug it because the fan seems to be on the front right here. The way they do this one is unique. A little. I think this is the second one I did with this. It looking like this the way they do it. If I'm not wrong. Alright, so yeah. Maybe I have to remove this fan. Not sure, but that one, this one right here, yeah. Because some of them guys they don't come with that fan right there. I just realized they come with 2 fans down here. I don't know why they didn't have one right here with the power supply. It's that kind of shady. I don't know why. If it was me, I would definitely put one right across from here. The power supply do get hot, really hot. Alright, this is what this comes off of. I'm not sure. It's a piece of glass. So okay, so I can just unplug this fan. Which one it is? Let's see which of these wire. It says this one right here. And I take it from the chassis. Oh, this thing burnt up really good. Oh yeah. You could see the chassis, guys. Yeah. Here was burnt on. Yep. That's Timpano 3000, guys. That's the Timpano. Alright. This thing here now, guys. This thing is make a mess now. So this, plug in this 80-watt solder iron. And then let me go across the circuit board and check if I see any more issue with it. Let's see if anything else wrong with it, guys. So let me turn it like this, guys, so I think you guys can. There's a diode right here, guys. You should always check. It's good. And this voltage regulator right here. And these always come with this, guys, a little piece of. You have to lift it up because you have some parts underneath, like diode, capacitor, and stuff like that. Okay, Alright, so Yep. For sure, I know I'm gonna have to replace the output. That one is reading fine. This one is bad. That one is that one is reading fine. Alright, so guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna want to replace this bad one and see. I wanna see something. Nah, not going to do that, guys. Hell nah. The way these amplifiers go down sometimes, yeah. And the way I see that circuit board, or it burned, no way I'm gonna do that. Not take it right out of the circuit, and you can see from back here, yeah, that thing burnt out, guys. And then look at these guys, look at these spikes here, Jesus, look at that. More for a capacitor or something. This is for the cap, I know that for sure. This thing will put some holes in your finger. Yes, guys. You can see all these, oh man. Look at those transistors, guys. Look at that. This thing burned to a crisp. Alright, so this should be a diode. This should be a diode over here. Hold on, no. No. This should be a 1404, not a diode. What am I talking about? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Power supply MOSFET. Alright. And 4 output MOSFET. And these output MOSFET, guys, is the IRFB 4115. Alright. IRFB 4115. Let me see how the soldering is going on now. Because this is, tell you guys, this is a bad soldering. This thing don't play, guys. If you don't mind, this thing burn the circuit board up. If you're not careful. Yeah, this thing will definitely give you some work to do on the circuit board after. It's not hot enough. It's getting there, guys. You guys see me doing this, flooding this with solder, is just because not like I have solder at my dispense. No, I don't. I do have solder, but solder wires is here. Maybe to play around with like that, but when you do repair, you have to have stuff, guys, like that. Always stack up on your solder wire. I buy some fake one the other day. Really fake, guys. Thought I was getting a deal, but you know, I should have known. It's fake people. Things fake now these days. Can't even buy a roll of solder, it's not fake. guys. Yeah, I'm just cleaning these pinhole. I guess I'm gonna have to replace gate resistor and stuff like that. So let's see what I'm gonna have to replace next. Right. Bunch of solder here. Hold on. Oh, it's clean. It's really clean. Right. This side now, guys, output. That's how you do it. Strip this down. Strip it right down, guys. Strip it right down. Then you're gonna have a half naked circuit board. Look at that, guys. This thing burns so much. Man. And remember, guys, you have 4 output MOSFET over here. So don't take out 5. But the other one is a recovery diode, guys. Ta-da! That's it for that. Right, I'm just cleaning up now. And I wash the circuit board. That's pretty good. See that, guy? So this tray is burning here coming from the capacitor. Oh, your positive leg right to it. Oh my, that's a lot of fire go to that and a lot of stuff. Okay. Right. Here now. Nice. Ooh, man. Give the rest. So the side effect now, guys, with this solder and that's why I don't use it a lot. I don't want to go into hand plug it right now. Is that it's keep hot. I don't like that. I like to turn it down and save some energy, you know, sometimes. So I think I'm gonna have to unplug it and plug in my little one. Yeah, but guys, I always get rid of this damn. I'm using my finger because it's already dirty, so you know. So what I'm getting rid of this compound here, so I can wash the board and it doesn't mess the brush up. So I get my rubbing alcohol. Could put some on it like that, guys. Whichever way you wanna do it. Like this. And gently. And there's a switching little IC here that send 5 volts to these power supply MOSFET, guys. This here it is the 4427S. Yeah. I'm going to replace that too, guys. Definitely. Always replace it, guys, when you have the power supply burnt like that. Don't even test or find out, or unless you don't have one and you say, okay, you're gonna give it a, you know, you're gonna try a thing and see if it works or not. Yeah, you could just do that in that case. But if you have on hand new ones, you just do that. Yeah, many guys, my daughter is opening the door. Alright, so guys, what I'm going to do now, so let me show you. Here you have resistor R112 R09, R10, R114, and R11, and then you have R106, then you have this one is R104. All those gate resistor guys is 10 ohms in the power supply section, so I'm gonna have to replace those. Just let you know guys on the power supply MOSFET, and then I'm going to put in some output MOSFET too guys. So let me see if I find some 1404, which is see if I find 6 of the same ones here. This says U on it. U, no, look, here's this one. I have a part of the one that says OR something. OR, that's a little code that's on it guys. So OR something. That one doesn't have it. So once I do that guys, I'm gonna give it a bench test, but definitely I have to stop now because I'm cooking while I'm doing this. Don't worry guys, the pot is almost finished, so it's not like I'm gonna go in to put me on in anything. Yeah. Right, come on. I'm looking for a batch, a matching batch, or is that again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. Alright, this says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. I thought it was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need only 5. So I think I find 5 of the same batch right here. I have some coming. I have problem with them in the mail. It's supposed to deliver it. It's not, and it says delivered. So I don't know if I lost those or what. But somebody have to pay this time because that's happened to me a couple of years ago with some soda wire guys. People said delivered. It's not. So I don't know who approved that delivery. These are the one I'll be using guys. Yeah, so those, yes guys. So now these little tiny, let me move this soda here. This soda is gonna be too hot to install these 10 ohm resistors. Yeah, it's gonna be way too hot. Yes guys, so this one, get it out of the way. I'm not gonna put it too far because it's hot. I don't want my daughter to come close and touch it or anything like that. So let's stay like that for now. So guys, yeah, so going to replace that. The driver MOSFET, it has 2 driver MOSFET, which I don't think I'm gonna have to touch. I think everything will okay. I don't think they're bad, as well as you never know guys, but I'll let you know. Let's give it a little rough check just to make sure nothing is short now. And then I'm gonna replace this, as I told you guys, is 4427 IR 4427 right here beside this cap right here guys. Consider that. They're definitely gonna replace it right here. That IC says U9. That's the number for it. Alright guys, so definitely see you on part 2 of this video guys. I'm gonna make a part 2 of the bench test. So if you like what I say, please like, subscribe guys, and soon part 2 coming up for this Timpano 3000 amplifier guys. Alright. Cut and cardio for now. Enough respect guys.